Welcome back, guys. We're back again on the channel. Been absent for a little while. We've been busy. As you can see, no electric bike today. No off-roading. Instead, we've got the Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 out. We've been to the Isle of Man TT. We've just got back. Had a fantastic week there between qualifying, watching the qualifying, watching the racing. It's been a lot of fun. Good few of us went over there. In this video, we're going to see a short tour of the island. I'm going to show you some of the best viewing spots, getting up close and personal with some of these riders, show you what's about during the TT. It's a fantastic place to visit. Even if you're not even into bikes, the atmosphere in there and that is amazing. We're also going to get done on the famous mountain run. So the mountain run, for 1 week only, or 2 weeks only, they remove the speed limits to make the mountain course one way, and that's an opportunity for the public to let rip, and that's exactly what we did here. So stay tuned for the mountain run. We had a very good run. Sneak preview, I guess. Nobody overtook us on the mountain, so yeah, it's a good one to watch. And yeah, just take a moment to look at taking the beauty of this island. It's a beautiful island, in or out of season, as I said. The landscapes, the beaches, the people. It's a very nice place to go. If you like this video, guys, hit that like button, subscribe to the channels, plenty more coming. We'll keep it going with the e-bikes, the electric bikes, the off-roading, the on-roading. We'll do some more tours. Let's see what we can make of it, guys. Like and subscribe, join along to the channel. Enjoy the video.
Andy with his right arm over the back of Greg and over to the handhold on the right hand side of the barrier. 17 and so Valley Van der Dont on the LCR street. They get away. 20 is next to go. And of course is Carl Bennett and Jake Bob.
Rapid repair shop, look. Got the leaf blower keeping it cool. When it turned off in the fan. I think Bro needs repairing. Just finished the race. He lies on his service mat, waiting for his service.